I'll be going for a walk. Because if not, I'm just gonna eat. Go, Reg. Let's do it. For lunch. Hi guys! I'm back with another vlog, and for those who are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing, guys. I'm just wearing my shoes because today I'll be going for a walk at the seaside park. It's been raining the past few days, but today finally the sun showed up, so I will be going there and exercise. So it's just gonna be like a walk for today. I'm not gonna jog or run. I've been doing this for the past week, but I wasn't able to vlog that one. But today I decided to vlog it, and then I just hope that the sunset will be beautiful today, because actually the sunset there and sunrise is really beautiful, but the sunrise is more beautiful. But yeah, there are also some stalls there for the street food, and it has a park where you can just chill and eat food while facing the ocean. So I will show that with you. I've been doing some of my vlogs as well at that park, guys. And then yeah, I will take you guys with me. So this is the fish landing center, guys. Dito din dumadaong yung mga bangka. Ayan o. May mga pump boat dyan. Ayan. Yung pump boat namin nasa likod. Sobrang ganda, guys. Ayan. And then yung seaside park nasa unahan lang, so maglalakad pa ako. Tapos ito yung view ko habang naglalakad. Ang ganda. This long road right here, guys, is going to the seaside park. And kung napapansin nyo, may mga malalaking trucks, mga delivery trucks yan papuntang Bohol. Kasi yung place namin, it has a port, port of Taloot. And then, yung biyahe niya is from Taloot, Argao to Loon, Bohol, and vice versa. So, malapit na tayo dun sa seaside park. And sobrang ganda ng view doon, guys. Excited na ako ipakita sa inyo yun. Pero sa mga palaging nanonood ng vlogs ko, alam ko minsan nakikita nyo din tong seaside park na to dito sa mga content ko. Ito pala ako, guys. Medyo hinihingal nakakalakad. Anyway, most of the time, mga around 5 PM ako naglalakad para hindi na masyadong masakit yung init. There you go. I am now here at the seaside park, guys, and let me show you the view. It's high tide right now, and it's just so beautiful. That's the mountain right there. Somewhere here, that's the port of Taloot. And then, right there, may mga karinderya dyan, guys. And may mga nagtitinda ng mga ulam. And sobrang sarap din. So, yeah. Lakad pa tayo. I'm with Ate Mitch, guys. Hi! Nag-vlog po ko para sa YouTube. Singot na kami, guys. Nag-awot na gid me. Nagabian na. I'm finally home, guys, and I made 11,268 steps today. That's my papa right there. And sobrang happy ko lang kasi nakasabay kong maglakad today si Ate Mitch. She's a very good friend. Tapos hindi namin namalayan. almost 7 p.m. na pala kami natapos sa paglalakad. So ayun lang, sobrang productive ng hapon na to. And yeah, thanks so much for coming with me, guys. And I'll just gonna change. I'll see you guys on the next clips. Hey guys, it's a Friday and I'm going for a walk again. I was actually sad earlier because I thought I couldn't do my walks today because it rained. But thankfully it stopped already. And then I think my cousin will join me. I'll just gonna message her because that's our plan yesterday that we will walk together. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the seaside park. Update guys, my cousin replied, unfortunately she can't join me today. It's because she needs to do some stuff related to her studies. But that's fine, there's always next time. So I'll just gonna proceed with my walk and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go! It's so funny guys, I was able to walk just a few minutes. Then after that, the rain poured. So now, I'm here at the fish stall. Mama is there. And then I'll just see if it will stop or not. Because if not, I'll just gonna eat. Guys, let's eat. It's still raining and I can't do anything about it. So might as well, I'll just eat. Anyway, I got rice here and then noodles or pancit and then fish. My mama is laughing at me guys because I literally did like a 3-minute walk and then suddenly it rained. So I was like running so fast just to be back here at the fish stall. Sorry for the noise guys because I'm in the highway. Anyway, let's just go with the flow. If it stops after I eat, then I'll go for a walk again. Let's try. Yummy. Guys, the rain stopped and it makes me happy. So now I'm trying to do like a 30-minute walk and hopefully it will not rain again. Anyway, this is the view. Okay, go Reg, let's do it. I finally made it home guys. I was able to walk 30 to 40 minutes only because the weather wasn't good. But I'm still happy because I was able to make like 5,552 steps and I just hope that the weather will be better in the coming days so that I could do my walks consistently, hopefully. Anyway guys, I'll just gonna change and then I will catch up with my boyfriend in a bit. He's driving right now from work. Our time difference now is like 12 hours since it's daylight saving already there. So before it's like 13 hours. And then he works night shift there. So when he works there, it's like night shift, morning here. And then when he comes home from work, it's morning there and it's evening here. So we have like the same bedtime because of his work schedule as well. And then I'm just so happy. You know what guys, my boyfriend gives me so much peace and he loves me so much and he will be watching this vlog as well. Hi Bear. I'm just really, really grateful, and I thank God every single day for blessing me with such an amazing boyfriend. And I have a lot of words to describe him, and I'm just really, really grateful. Anyway, I'll just change, guys, and then yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's a Saturday, and I'm actually wearing a jacket because it's so cold right now here in the province. Anyway, my mama will be harvesting the sikwa that she planted like this early. So let's vlog her, guys. Okay, that's Papa is also here. And then this is our garden right there. That's my mama. So let's harvest the sikwa together. Come on, guys.
Tagain ko to, guys. Dapat scissor, guys.
Be careful. Wow. You got 3 or you only have 2?
3, 4. I put here inside the
Pocket?
Okay. I will cut.
But ma,
Okay.
there you go. Alright, guys, we got 5 sikwas for this harvest. Show them, ma. Show to the vlog. There you go. So fresh.
I will get this one. Harvest. Wow. My talong.
My mama is so cute, guys. Let's just see if we can harvest the eggplant too. Where's the eggplant?
Eggplant.
Oh, we got one that we can harvest. Can you get it now?
No,
Why?
it's very small.
It's still small.
Yeah.
Okay, we can't harvest the eggplant yet, guys, because it's still so small. So we're just gonna let it grow first. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next clips. Hey guys, time check. It's 10:34 a.m. and I'm just prepping. We will go to our family friend's house later for lunch. Trizia just passed the board exam. She is now a registered medical technologist. Congrats again, gang. And then just last year, she graduated from college, and then this year she passed the licensure examination. We're so happy for her. So their family will be preparing a lunch for family, friends, and relatives, and we are invited. Thank you so much, Ganyu family. My parents are coming with me. They are at the fish stall. I'll just prep, guys, and go there later. And then my brothers, I think they're not coming home. Jonard is in the city. Ramir is in Alcoy. But yeah, I will just finish this one and I will take you guys with me. See you in a bit. We are now on our way to our family friend's house, guys. I'm just waiting for Mama and Papa, and then we will leave in a bit.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, I let my worries fade, let them sweep away way, there'll be another day.
Mother bus. Imagine, pwede na yung hard loads.
We are finally home, guys, and congratulations once again, Trisha, and to the whole family. We're so happy and proud of you. I wasn't able to vlog that much because I was so in the moment and I just focused on catching up with everyone, and we had so much fun. My parents were there as well. And yeah, I think I will go for another walk again later if it will not rain. So I'll see you guys later. Hello! I am going for a walk, guys. Good news, it's not raining. But I don't know what comes later. Kidding aside, I hope it won't rain because I really love walking, guys. So, same spot as yesterday. It's gonna be at the seaside park because I really love walking there, guys. So, I will take you guys with me.
Dream up a world of pirates, climb the highest tree, fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out to sea, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day. Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sand.
I just got home from my walk, guys, and I'm so happy because it was a productive one. My goal for this afternoon was 10,000 steps. So let's see how many steps did I make. Moment of truth. 10,300 steps. Yahoo! I made it, and I'm just so happy. I'll do more walks in the coming days. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog, guys. I think I'll just gonna end it here, and I'll see you all on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ambing!